catch a voice level. Make on a mini call me from somebody related to Bongo ideas and all Kasa. So I want to talk to her and then see how true or what is inside this particular issue. Oh yeah, day.
Okay, so the Bongo ideas meet.
Okay.
My last one. This morning, around 2 a.m., some men came into the house. They were dressed in police attire, and then they knocked on his door, and they entered and they just dragged him out.
I have Yamama Kwaba, Yamama Tanase, and Famra, NBTV, so social media trend, any day in Ayede Bremono, and no Anayede and a so at the Ebro. So, Nina is a Ghanaian blogger and as a social media influencer. Ya your friend Bongo ideas, or your brand TV or have ye pa our social media no so. And a day dear, a jetta, Eddie Amano, about to ja, Sir Uncrophobia boy really fear, and machino me no. Aqua channel at your friendly dem na, train as if friendly dem no, Ubini baby or Modernaffa. Unia ba and Zion fellas, a dinkomo, and manichima, bayana, eka se, Grofona mobile, no more share a pressy for entire. Na ombefa nini empenisi kankrum yegini kwakunu yenko kuti ono no masem ya nini aba bro ne Zion fellas edin komo ne ba enkomo foforo sa wachire.
Okay mpacho, what is it and also oye ne day.
Okay, so the Bongo ideas meet.
Okay.
My last one.
Okay.
And me myself, I didn't know. I only found out recently when I went to the family meeting. So I heard, not like I heard, I was there this morning around 2 a.m. Some men came into the house. They were dressed in police attire, and then they knocked on his door and they entered and they just dragged him out. They said they were taking him to the police station. We asked them, police station, they stopped us from following them. They said we should look for a taxi. As at 2 a.m., we were not getting any taxi. So I pleaded with one of them to at least tell us where they are taking him to. So that when day breaks, we can come there. The man refused. And then they took him. We've gone to Soto police station, a couple of police stations. Almost everywhere we visited, they are saying they've not received such a case. Nobody has been brought there. So now we don't know where they've taken him to. His lines are not connecting. We can't reach him. Since 2 a.m. till now, we don't know where Bongo ideas is.
Okay. Now, Oman can't adukuntia on picking up.
They didn't say anything. I was trying to even tell one of them that what's in the now on that the without cash and share. We don't know what the person has done. The man didn't say anything. He was not telling us that if you don't keep quiet, then they dragged him out, put him in the car, and then they just drove off.
What kind of car? Police car or private car or taxi or taxi hailing?
It was a private car, yes, private car. And another car, they are not set. Track. All by 4 days, train and fine moving
who number plate now?
No. I'm taking notes for number plate.
So
everything happened in a rush.
But like they just went into the room like unlocking and I said I don't get it.
We don't even know how the whole thing happened. No. We heard noise because as at 2 a.m. Obiada. So it was the noise that woke us up. Then we came out and then we saw them. They didn't give us any explanation. They didn't say anything. They just took him away.
Nah,
in my family house too. It's just my sick grandmother, Bongo ideas mom. And then one or two people be. That's all.
Now, Marco Police Headquarters.
Me and Marco Police Headquarters back. Baby, shall be on the day I'll call you. I see on so call you no. I'm the case the way. So one of the police officers no catch and say, rage. Now check you on. So rage and that's almost say receiving case guy there. They don't know what else they can do.
Okay, and how is Bongo Idea's mother's condition right now after this issue?
How is what?
Her mother's also on the
We are all anxious. Like we are all anxious. Akaye baby omodena ko. And I am calling at least no come no yes family down kakra. But here is the case. We don't know where they took him to. That is our fear.
Okay, Mate. Alright.
So what was Sumasem? We and a Ghana Police Service. Is a we buy and some one crowd at the Babontin actress. A brand here, your friend of Bongo Ideas and any it will be a dinimuno or social media no so no. Such individual Emma wana catch wana swear. Crata in a dial screen as well. Wow, kind of well the Ghana Police Service. I can't achieve at the alpha 80 and a year busase. Why and a bora Bongo Ideas a bussy fee. Aquaculture Bongo Ideas. A dear free or no ni demo. A dear Pia Sammy Yashana Yewuni. Uneba and the Zion fellows a din commono. Or trim say a place for the bed fear at the Befano. A place for Sababontia Betrim says such individual by name Bongo Ideas. Emma wana catch winning command yet the ebro, but when him say Bongo Ideas, a brand TV or have been ye pa. Our social media no so. Do not also say Ebia agenda is answer break a crane has a Bongo idea and said and tinny dias one yen you will be bolino our social media. And you one rare. No, then I can't maybe an answer the young baby Nasha one. I should have created some quasi scene we said the man for Bunny and as I will call Google. Bongo ideas and it bear the first search in the search bar. And it say na Ghana Police Service and so air can say an audiano so air can wow I share story and as a wow so what is your impression or your side opinion about this very specific regards to Bongo ideas? Semi cordia nana bema spiritual and herbal center some men cancer so we a bema ditche and me training to say fin so ditche na utuna njipa to say champagne and now nyan ditche oba wo hwehwan sen krampa na mamen cancer and the memma abano epenampa dumpe ewom sa we dumpe sa dia on be wi agya ho sa akọ wonam fa ne sunsun fa kwantu sem krata sebia etete obi an Kumasi Kenya se adwuma Gawo Junction frenana abejo so abrena brebi apeso ne din komo bia no na kan wo ha e fa kire na ohene ni me de wasi